Should the OK button comes before or after the cancel button? It's one of the common questions in UX design. In this video we will find the answer to this question. Let's first discuss the benefits of each approach and start with OK and cancel order. Listing OK first supports the natural reading order. In Western languages, people read from left to right, so that they will read OK option first. Reading order should match the logical order of the question. For example, when we ask apply changes, the positive action should come first, while the negative action second. OK is likely to be selected more frequently than cancel, so placing OK first makes navigation easier for users who use a keyboard. Now let's discuss the cancel OK order. Cancel OK creates a more natural sense of progression, similar to how pagination previous next buttons are placed. In cancel OK order, cancel moves the user backwards on the previous screen, while OK progresses user forward to the next screen. Listing cancel first might help user make the correct decision because they will look at all options before they choose which action to take. As a result, they won't blindly engage with the left option without also looking at the right button. When you design a website, it doesn't really matter whether you choose OK cancel or cancel OK. There is no significant difference in task execution speed or error rate. However, when you design an app for a particular platform, you need to consider platform specifics. The design you're creating should be consistent with the platform guidelines. It will help you to follow user expectations and minimize the number of mistakes users make while interacting with your product. Sadly, Microsoft User Experience Guidelines differ from Apple Human Interface Guidelines when it comes to the order of OK and cancel buttons. For example, Windows puts OK first, while Apple puts OK last. That's why if you design an application for a particular platform, you need to do whatever the platform guidelines tell you to do. Now let's discuss a few specific tips for creating dialog buttons. It's often better to avoid using a generic OK label, and whenever possible try to use explicit label for a button that explains what the button does. An explicit label is always relevant to the question the system asks, giving the user more confidence in selecting the right option. Use a verb that explains the action, such as save, create, move. Make the most commonly selected button default and highlight it by adding more visual weight. The most frequently selected button should also be the most prominent. Visually separate potentially dangerous actions. For example, here you can see how Apple Pages puts cancel and save buttons on the right side of the window, while the potentially dangerous action delete is located to the left. If you like this video, please subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. Thank you.